All right, let's get into it. Today, we're tackling a big one, something pretty much all of us struggle with in this digital age. How do you actually organize all the chaos of your digital life? We're going to help you find the perfect second brain by comparing three of the biggest names out there: Notion, Obsidian, and Google Keep.
So, does this sound familiar? You've got brilliant ideas saved in one app, your to-do lists are in another, project notes are sitting on your desktop, and random links are just, well, they're everywhere. It feels like you're constantly fighting just to find the stuff you need, right when you need it. And that digital clutter? It's more than just messy, it's a serious roadblock to getting things done.
But what if there was a better way? Well, that's where this idea of a second brain comes in. And look, this isn't just about getting another app, it's a whole system. Think of it as an external extension of your own mind, a single trusted place where you can capture, organize, and most importantly, connect all of your knowledge and ideas. Okay, so to figure out which tool is right for you, we need a way to cut through all the marketing noise. And the best way to do that is to think about it on a single spectrum, the trade-off between simplicity on one side and power on the other.
Here's the thing. The choice you have to make isn't really about which app has the most features or the slickest design. It's about a fundamental trade-off. Do you need something that's super fast and simple, right out of the box? Or do you need a tool that's incredibly powerful and you can customize to do almost anything? Figuring out where you are on that spectrum is the key.
So, let's start on one end of that spectrum, ultimate simplicity. And really, the undisputed king here is Google Keep. The absolute best way to picture Keep is like a stack of digital Post-it notes. It's built for one thing above everything else: getting an idea out of your head and captured, fast.
And this quote from our research really just nails it. Keep is unbeatable in speed for capturing ideas. There's basically zero friction. Whether it's a quick thought you type out, shopping list, or even a voice memo you speak into your phone that it transcribes for you, it just works instantly.
Now let's swing all the way to the other side of the spectrum, to ultimate power. This is where you find the tools that aren't just for taking notes, they're for building entire systems. They literally give you the ability to construct whatever you can dream up. And this is where we find our two main contenders, Notion and Obsidian.
First up in the power category, we have to talk about Notion. It's really the champion of the all-in-one workspace. The whole idea behind it is to bring everything and everyone into one place. So if Google Keep is a Post-it note, Notion is like a giant box of digital Legos. Everything you create is a block, a piece of text, an image, a database, and you can arrange these blocks to build anything you want. Its whole philosophy is cloud-first, designed for teams to collaborate, which makes it absolutely perfect for things like team projects, company wikis, or even really complex personal dashboards. And this isn't just a feeling. The numbers really back this up. According to our sources, an incredible 62% of Fortune 100 companies use Notion. I mean, think about that. This isn't just a tool for personal notes. It's a powerhouse trusted by the world's biggest companies to get their work done.
Okay, now for our other power tool. And this one takes a completely different approach to building a second brain. Let's talk about Obsidian. If Notion is that collaborative box of Legos, think of Obsidian as your own private offline library. It works with simple text files that live directly on your computer, which means your data is always yours. But its killer feature is how it lets you link your notes together and then see those connections in this amazing visual graph view. It's no wonder it's a huge favorite for researchers, writers, and students.
So when you boil it all down, this is the crucial difference. Notion is built from the ground up for collaboration in the cloud. It's all about shared workspaces and powerful databases. Obsidian, on the other hand, is for building your own private web of knowledge, right on your own device. Its strengths are interconnected thinking and total privacy.
And what's interesting is you can actually see this play out in how people rate these apps. They're all really highly rated, right? But you can see that power users who really value that deep, private knowledge work give a little bit of an edge to Obsidian. Notion is right there behind it, praised for being so incredibly versatile, and Keep, well, it holds its own as a super reliable, simple tool.
Okay, so with all that in mind, how in the world do you actually choose? The answer isn't about finding the best app overall. It's about finding the app that's best for you.
It really all boils down to one simple question. What's your main goal here? Are you just trying to capture thoughts before they disappear? Are you working with a team on a big project? Or are you trying to build a personal knowledge vault, something that'll grow with you for years?
So, let's just break it down into 3 simple steps. First, get really clear on your core need. Second, decide where that need falls on our simplicity versus power spectrum. And third, you just pick the tool that lives in that spot. It's that easy.
All right, so here's the final breakdown. If you are a quick capturer, if speed and simplicity are everything, your best bet is Google Keep, no question. If you're a team collaborator who needs that shared all-in-one space, Notion is the clear winner. If you're a researcher or a student building that deep, personal web of knowledge, nothing beats Obsidian. And we'll add one more. If you're a heavy Microsoft 365 user, OneNote is a fantastic choice because its integration with the Office suite is just seamless.
So, in the end, choosing a second brain, it's more than just picking some software. It's a really personal decision about how you want to structure your own thinking, how you want to connect your best ideas, and how you want to build a system that makes you smarter and more creative. So the real question to leave you with is, which one of these reflects how you think? Which second brain are you going to build?